What is going on, YouTube? In today's video, we're gonna be pretty much going over everything I got for the Infiniti. I got a large majority of the adapter pieces. I got a few other things that will come in handy, and also I put my block in the machine shop recently, so I already have updates on that. So we'll go over that once I'm to the shop. So let's go ahead and roll the intro, and I'll see y'all at the shop. Alright people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, this is Chance's Garage. I have a lot of things going on. I built my Tahoe on this channel so far, working on the Infiniti. We got a lot of stuff over here for this car, which is gonna be the focus of this video today. I won't be working on it, just kind of explaining everything I have so far. So if you're new, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to know when I'm posting. I'm trying to post content at least once or twice a week, so we'll do our best to keep up with that schedule. So let's talk about this car. And I've talked about it a lot, and I know I haven't made much progress, but as you can see, the engine isn't on the stand anymore. A lot of the stuff isn't there. So right here is the box of pistons that I showed y'all in the previous video. They're still sitting in there, brand new. So here's what's going on with that. So first off, when I took my block to the machine shop, I did clean it and I let it sit up too long, so some rust spots developed. So they ended up having to bore the block 20 over. So instead of it being a 3.780 bore, it's now a 3.800 bore. So I had to get some 20 over bored pistons. I got those from Summit. I got some Summit forged pistons. They're not the Pro Series, but I just bought the ones that I could get the quickest. So I'll throw a picture of those on the screen right here. And if this is your first time seeing this video, I'm talking about my 4.8 liter LS out of a 02 Silverado. So it's bored 20 over, 3.8 bore now. It's at the machine shop. They're also gonna gap the rings of 30,000s for me, as well as I had something else getting done too. Oh, balancing my crankshaft. So all that's getting done. It should be done pretty soon, and then we'll be able to get to work on pulling this motor out. But as far as other things go, as you can see, I got a lot of random stuff. I got a saw, a metal saw for when I do the exhaust. I got a welding cart, welding table. I've been had that. I have two welders sitting over there. I got a cheap arc welder, a cheap flux core welder, and then a cheap TIG welder that I have not used yet. So that'll be fun. I got a big tank of argon, and that's that. But let's get into the stuff that I have for this car. So as you can probably see, I went with the ISR Adapter kit, and reason being is I've seen it used in a lot of different applications. So there is a lot of people that have used it, and I can see a lot of different builds and a lot of different directions I could go with the ISR. People use the Siki as well and the LOJ, but for the price, I think I like the ISR the best. So that's why I got this. So let's go ahead and go through what's in here. So first they threw some pretty cool stickers in here. It's pretty cool. Hope y'all can see. And they gave me an energy transmission bushing, or just a bushing. And these are the mounts for the motor, which they look pretty solid if you ask me. No complaints here. And there's another one down there. And I believe that's everything that came in here. Some hardware, but I'm not about to throw all this stuff everywhere. You get the idea. So that's the engine mounting kit. It came with all of that. I have the oil pan right here. It's just a Canton oil pan. It came with the oil pan. I'll go ahead and get that out. Here's the pickup tube. It's adjusted for the oil pan, of course. And then oil pan itself is down there. And I wasn't gonna pull it out, but I think everyone that is using this should see what it comes with. Here's the dipstick, which is also pretty cool. All right, let's get the pan itself out. And all right, so here's the pan itself. It's pretty heavy, but nevertheless, it'll be what I need it to be. Welds don't look the best, which is understandable. I knew what I was getting into when I bought it, but I haven't heard of people really complaining about the welds not holding on these, so I'm not gonna throw a big fit over that. So that's the oil pan. Then, of course, this long box right here is the drive shaft. I'm not taking that out. It is what it is. We know what drive shafts look like. But one interesting thing about the drive shaft for the G35 sedans is they don't necessarily make a G35 sedan drive shaft, and I kind of had to do my research. Then I quickly learned that the sedans and the coupes have the same length drive shaft. So I just bought a G35 coupe drive shaft, and I'm just gonna hope that it fits. So I believe it had the exact same length drive shaft though, so that shouldn't be a problem. So that's pretty much everything. I bought the transmission adapter kit, but it's on back order. So I got all of this, I wanna say 2 or 3 weeks ago, and the transmission adapter kit it's still about at least a week or 2 out. So hopefully it ships out sooner than later. But that's really the only thing I'm waiting on before I just start yanking this motor out. So that's pretty much an update on everything. As far as the welder and the cart and all of that, I'll do a video or videos on those, just setting it all up. Not gonna do it today just because there's no reason to right now. As far as the motor goes though, it is in a machine shop. I should have it back pretty soon, and everything's coming together. One more thing, these heads, I'll make a separate video on the heads, but I pretty much can't use them, and I'll explain that in my next video. So that's gonna do it for this one. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, comment. I know this wasn't a interesting video, but I just wanted to explain everything and just keeping y'all updated as I go through the process of getting the things that I need. So I got a lot more stuff to buy, and I'll make a video as soon as I get another boatload of stuff like I did in this one. So that's gonna do it for this one. If you're excited about the build, I know it's taking a long time, just getting all my ducks in a row, but still go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below any advice. If you have any questions, comment them below as well. And if I can't answer it, then hopefully someone else can in the comments. But y'all take it easy, and I will catch y'all on the next video.